And we're back to learning Gimp in the year day 99. Let me show you how I can straighten the horizon. So in this image, the horizon has a little bit of a tilt. When we use the marquee tool, for example, you can see that. So the line isn't perfectly horizontally straight. Let me copy it, and now I use the measure tool to fix that. You can find it right here. Shift M is the short key, or go to Tools, and there you should see it. What you need to do is to simply left-click drag on the horizon or the line that you want to define as the new horizontal straight line. It has an angle. Let me switch to horizontal. You can see it's like 1.3 something. Let me use straighten, and now this gets basically tilted 1.3 degrees. Let's do it again. The best way to do it is to obviously zoom in and then perfectly position it where you can find the correct pixels. So whatever you define here as the horizon, make sure that you hit it perfectly. And by the way, I can only see this window at the top right because I've got a use info window active. So if you can't see it, check the box. So this is like 1.19. Let me straighten it again. And now the horizon looks fine to me. One more thing to add though, when we make the original invisible below, so the IMG, you can see that we now have a little bit of transparency on the edges. That's due to the tilt, so it's being cut off on some edges here on the right, and therefore we have a little bit of transparency left right here on top and the left side. So after you've straightened it, always use the scale tool and then make sure to resize it a little bit. You're going to cut it off even more so on the edges, but at least we've gotten rid of the transparency here. And this is how you can straighten the horizon in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.